We will see how to prepare potassium permanganate. Now, how to prepare potassium permanganate? Learning it is very easy. You see it in the book and you learn, but how to remember? To remember any such thing, how our brain works. First thing we have to understand which elements are there in it. Manganese is there, potassium is there, oxygen is there. So we will require a raw material which contains manganese. So in nature we get manganese from pyrolusite ore. The ore which we get is MnO2. It is also called as pyrolusite ore. And potassium we take from potassium hydroxide. We melt both of them together. We make them undergo fusion. Fusion means to melt them together. When we heat them at high temperature and when we melt them, it forms potassium manganate at first. And water comes out. Now we have to balance it. This is 2, so we will make it 2. But if I make it 2, then oxygen may not be balanced. So let us see first of all oxygen here. There are 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen, 3 oxygen, and here there are many oxygens. So we'll try to make it first of all even by giving 2 H2O. Now hydrogen has become 4, so potassium hydroxide has to become 4. If it is 4, then this has to become twice, and if it is twice, then this also has to become twice because Mn is 2 now. Let us check the balancing once. Let us check the oxygen. 8 oxygen here, 4 oxygen here plus 4 oxygen. 8 oxygen here, and here how many? 8, 9, 10 oxygens are there. So how to balance? We have to give 2 oxygen, atmospheric oxygen now. It will be balanced. 8 plus 2, 10, and here 8 plus 2, 10. So first part is done. Second part is we have to further oxidize K2MnO4 to form KMnO4. To do so, we treat it with HCl. So it forms KMnO4 plus KCl plus water will come out and MnO2 will be regenerated. If I write ionic reaction of this, then we can balance it better. So ionically, what is happening? MnO4 minus is becoming MnO4 2 minus is becoming MnO4 1 minus. Now what is the oxidation state? It is in the acidic medium, so it is very easy to balance now. So also MnO4 is also becoming MnO2. That means Mn is undergoing both oxidation and reduction. How do I say so? There is a logic, nothing to remember. Let the oxidation number of this be x. So x minus 8 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to plus 6. And here we know it is plus 7 because we have learnt it while titration. You can calculate also. X minus 8 equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 8 minus 1 will be equal to plus 7. And this is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So this is plus 4. So its plus 6 state is undergoing oxidation also and is undergoing reduction also. So this is disproportionation. Now we will balance oxygen at first. Here there are 2 Mn, so we'll give 2 at first. 1 Mn, 1 Mn, 2 Mn, so 2 Mn I have given. Now 8 oxygen here and 6 oxygen here. How do we balance? So 2 more oxygen are required, so we can give water always. H2O we can give, 2 H2O. Now how many H plus has become extra? Here there are 4 hydrogen, but there are no hydrogen. But the reaction is in acidic medium. So our work is very easy. We have to only give 4H plus. So it becomes balanced now. So you don't have to remember the balancing of the reaction for exam. It is very easy. Now directly you can write 4H plus 2 MnO4 2 minus is undergoing disproportionation reaction. To form MnO4 minus plus MnO2 and 2H2O. I hope that now you will not try to learn this by heart. You can do it yourself by using the previous year's concept of balancing redox reaction. Okay. Only you have to remember that the common ore or the commonly available ore of manganese which we take is pyrolusite ore, that is MnO2. Then we fuse it with KOH to form potassium magnate. It is potassium magnate. Which further undergoes disproportionation to form potassium permanganate. This is potassium permanganate. Now if we have to oxidize manganate ion to permanganate ion, then either we can make it undergo disproportionation reaction or we can do its oxidation in electrolytic cell by treating it with any anode. In that case, anode will take out electron from this and it will form KMnO4 minus. That is also possible. Alright, so that will not require any HCl also. But in your book this much is there, so you can understand it and you can keep in mind. So you don't have to learn it by heart. Okay.